Well, today, YouTubers, I'm doing a video on TV antenna for your home. Sometimes, you might not want to pay a extensive cable bill. So what I'm gonna try to run you through today is I'm going to take you through some ins and outs of this cable setup I have here. It's for your TV antenna, and I'm just going to give you this cost-effective price if you want to get rid of having a cable bill or something like that you could save money on and spend other money on something else. I'm going to show you just a little thing I did with my TV antenna to save on cables. Here's the setup here. It's a TV antenna here with just the regular, like old-fashioned TV antenna like you had back in the day. It's a setup which they improved on it 100%. They have it where it's 1080p. You could get some systems in 4K. And this is just a setup here I got from Lowe's. It's just your fencing. You go to the outside lawn and garden, and it's the fence post that went to the top of your fencing, and it's just that bar that goes across the top of your fence, and it's this section here, and then I have it sectioned out right here, and that's another section there. They're in 12-foot pieces, so they're like I think they were like $12–13 for a piece. So I got that, and the antenna, which is on the top, I got that from Walmart. They have this website you go on, and you go on to TV antennas, and you would get a TV that's antenna that's rated for the mileage. So what I did, we have a place here in Tallahassee that does our that's where we get all our channels from. It's the main hub. So what you would do is you would just turn that TV antenna in that direction, which would be maybe a southeastern direction. You turn it in towards Tallahassee. So that's where we pick our main stations out from that we get on our antenna. So that's the way I positioned it, so it would face that way. And what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna come in, and right here where you see I have this apparatus here, what I would call this is my wind system. I have it wrapped there, around there, and tied on that other end over there. And it really just keeps my antenna from changing directions from the wind. I know I could have cemented it in, but I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to stabilize it, and so I clamped this with some pliers because it was turning. So I was trying to get this straightened out today, and I'm gonna come back and give you a small video on how to straighten that out, and then I would further elaborate on the savings you would make with this installation here. I'll be right back with another video. Like and subscribe. Call us all YouTube channel. Thank you.